मोहे रंग दो लाल नंद के लाल. Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to show you this look. This is the look that Deepika Padukone was wearing for the movie Bajirao Mastani in the song Mohe Rang Do Laal. So this is a very beautiful simple look, and she's barely wearing any makeup, no strong makeup, no strong color except the lipstick. Everything is very soft, and on the occasion of Holi today I thought of creating this look. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So first I am going to prime my face using the L'Oreal Base Magic primer and applying it on my T-zones. This is going to make my T-zones matte, and the foundation is going to last long because of that. And next I am going to take the foundation. These are the two L'Oreal Infallible foundation. One is quite deep and another is little bit light, and this foundation oxidizes, so I have to mix a lighter shade to it so that it matches my skin, because after applying this foundation, after some time it oxidizes, and oxidizes means it changes into deeper shade. So to make sure it does not become darker than my skin tone, I have to mix a little bit of a lighter shade. So now here I am mixing the foundation and then applying it on all over my face using a brush on my face and my neck area also, and then taking a Real Techniques fluffy brush, I am going to spread the product in a circular motion. I'm going to move the brush in a circular motion and spread the product evenly. This will make sure I don't have any harsh strokes of my previous brush, and everything is blended nicely on my face. Next I'm going to take this Clinique All About Eyes concealer. It is quite orangey, and this is going to hide all my dark circles near my eyes. So this concealer is a little bit orangey, and I'm going to use this concealer over my eyes, and little bit I'm going to use for my chin also, basically the area near my mouth. And using that same brush I'm going to spread the product. So because of this orange effect, it is going to cancel out any dark circles. This is quite heavy and it is not going to brighten my face. For brightening my face, I have used one more concealer on top of it. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks and like on top of that foundation, so that the areas around my eyes, then forehead, bridge of my nose and chin gets a little bit highlighted, because this is a little bit of lighter shade to my skin tone. So this is going to brighten up my face. After applying this, I am going to blend everything using a makeup sponge. This is the Morphe makeup sponge. This is very soft, and using that I am going to blend that. And those areas where I have applied the concealers, they are going to have little bit more coverage, and they are going to, because of that concealer, it is going to hide the pores and it is going to look more flawless. So basically on my cheeks, nose and under my eyes and the chin, I am trying to make it more flawless, so the concealer is going to give more coverage. Next I am going to take this L'Oreal Infallible compact powder and apply it on under my eyes, basically the areas where I have applied the concealer. I am going to apply this powder using a brush, and then later slightly I am going to dust off some powder on all over my face, so that the cream foundation gets set. Otherwise this is not a very matte foundation, this is going to transfer, so we are going to set the cream product using a powder. Next I'm going to take this L'Oreal Glam Bronze. It has a beautiful bronze color and a highlighter. The bronzer is little bit orange tone, means warm tone, so I don't need a blush. And the highlighter I am going to use it on my cheeks, on the cheekbones, so that I have a glow, and on top, on the bridge of my nose, little bit chin and forehead. Next I'm going to take this L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit to tame my brows. So first I'm going to take the gel product and feel the brows. I'm not going to make any sharp edges or anything. I'm going to follow the natural flow of the brows. So using the gel product I'm going to set the brows first, and then later using the powder product I'm going to fill them. So in her brows, Deepika's brows, you can see it is very well defined, and the front portion of the brows is very dark. The whole all over the full brow was quite dark. So I'm trying to fill the brows, make it dark, but I took the powder very slowly. I just blended nicely, and yeah, I got this brows. So I did same thing for both my brows, and then I try to even out both. Next, for the eyeshadow I have used the Jacqueline Hill palette, and using this color, very beautiful orangey brown color, I have applied it on all over my eyelid, and then when there is no more product left, I blended the eyeshadow little bit near the brows, so that the eyeshadow looks darker in my lids, and the more it goes up, it looks more blended. Same thing I did it for my other eye also. Deepika in the videos does not seem to look wearing any eyeshadow. That's the reason we need to blend it so nicely that we don't have any harsh stroke and it's not visible like eyeshadow is there. But yeah, because of this red color, our face is going to glow. Next, taking this dark brown color, I am going to apply it near my eyelids, near my upper lash line, mostly on the corners of my eyes, so that once we apply some mascara, we are going to have some shadow of the mascara because of this brown shadow. So next I am going to take this same color and apply it on my lower lash line. Next I am going to take this mascara. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and apply it on my eyelashes. So I'm not wearing any false lashes, so I am trying to make sure I have a very beautiful fluffy lashes, dark fluffy lashes, because she was not wearing any false lashes. So I try to apply lots of mascara so that I can have the same fluffy lash look. I applied the mascara on my lower lash line also. I did not apply any kind of kajal, so I just tried to thickening my eyelashes. Next I have applied this lipstick. This is the Maybelline Color Gel Matte Intense Lip Paint. It has written matte, but this lipstick is not at all matte. It is high pigmented red lipstick. Its shade is You Red Me. So it is a very beautiful highly pigmented red which has little bit of glossy effect. So you have to squeeze the product and get it out and then apply it on my lips. It is quite tacky and it has a little bit of shine in it, so this is perfect for my skin tone, and this is going to highlight the whole face because we don't have much color on our face. This lipstick is going to get all the attentions for the face. Since it is a very bold lipstick and I don't have any color on my face, after applying this lipstick I have used the foundation brush and made sure the edges of the lipsticks does not come outside the lips. So I took the foundation brush and apply and move it around my lips, and that's all. That's the finished look. This is all about the makeup. Next I am going to wear some jewelry and the dupatta to have the finished look. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see any more look to recreate. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.